Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Jamaican dollar has hit a new record low compared to the U.S. currency. At the end of trading today, the U.S. dollar is being sold for an average $157.70. The previous record was $157.62 set last Friday. Meanwhile, $124.72 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $213.76 for the pound. The euro is costing an average $181.41. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the government's tourism workers' pension scheme has so far seen strong interest. The minister gave an update at a luncheon today. The Tourism Workers' Pension Scheme was officially launched in January of this year, marking a historic moment for employees in the sector who now have access to the scheme backed by law, which could provide benefits at retirement. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says so far there has been a steady take-up.
So far, and we started registering in earnest on the 1st of January this year. We've registered over 10,000 workers. And the fund, which is managed by Sagicor, has already accreted $43 million.
The fund got an initial injection of $1 billion from the government. Tourism workers aged 59 are also able to join the scheme, and upon reaching the retirement age of 65, they will also receive the $200,000 per annum benefit. Meanwhile, Minister Bartlett gave an update on the tourism sector's performance up to the end of December.
We had 1.6 million visitors and earned just a little over $2 billion US dollars. The recovery against 2019 was just a little under 70% for stopover, but because cruise has not recovered, it has pulled down the average, so we are just now at 53 or 54% in the total recovery, cruise and stopover from 2019.
Mr. Bartlett says preliminary figures for the end of January show about 134,000 visitors.
The year has started a little softer than we had anticipated because of Omicron, and we are seeing in the month of January we had, I think, a 23% decline against 2019, which is not the worst position, but is not what we had anticipated because we did not see Omicron coming.
Let's head to the stock market. The JSE index lost 13 points today, while the junior market index gained 62 points. Among today's winners were Portland JSX, Mayberry Investments, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, Margaritaville Turks, and The Lab. While on the losing side were Epley Caribbean Property Fund, T-Tech, PBS US dollar shares, CAC 2000, and Caribbean Cream. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Key. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.